Welcome to pptgenics. So today we are going to see how to create a similar e-invitation. So today we are creating e-invitation for graduation ceremony for kindergarten classes. Alright, so here first of all we are going to change the size of the slide. So we'll go to the design tab. In the design tab we will go to the slide size. We will click on the drop down menu. And in the drop down menu we are going to select the custom slide size, and here instead of wide screen we are going to select the A4 paper, and here I'm going to select the portrait and press the OK button and shop it. So exactly this is the size that I want. So here I have skipped this part. I've already added the text which I want, and I've also added the bunch of balloons. Now in the next step, what are we going to do? We are going to add some borders. So either you can add borders, or there's another way. We'll go to the insert tab, and in the insert tab we will go to the shapes, and in the shapes we will select this rectangle, and here we are going to insert the rectangle, and that should cover the whole slide like this. Now the shape fill is going to be no fill, and the shape outline is going to be this color, and the width to be 6 points. All right. Okay. So let's shift it like this. All right. Now in the next step, that is also very important step, we are going to insert line. Okay, so we'll go to the shape, we'll go to the line, and from here by pressing the shift key we are going to insert the line. Now we'll go back here. The color is going to be this only, and the weight is going to be 6 points only. All right, now in the next step we are going to insert the rectangle. So here this is the rectangle that we are going to insert. I'm going to insert a triangle shape. So triangle, by clicking on this point like this, and the triangle should be like this. Okay, now I'm going to select the rectangle first. By pressing the control key, I'm going to select the triangle. Now I will go to the merge shapes, and I am going to select subtract. So basically I have this kind of image, and here the shape outline I'm going to select no outline. I don't want any kind of outline, and for this shape fill I am going to select this dark blue color. All right, and here I want to insert a text. So we'll go to the insert again, we'll go to the text box, and here I'm going to select this text box, and let's place it on top of it, and here let's write capital G. Now we are going to select it. I'm going to select the white color for the text, and the font theme is going to be Digiton. Okay, and let's increase the size of letter G. All right, like this. Now by pressing the control key we are going to select this shape as well, and now I'm going to press the control G, so that we have this one image that is grouped. I'm going to press the control D to make the exact copy, and let's place it over here. Okay, now in the next step we are going to change the letter. So instead of G it is going to be R. Okay, and the color for this shape is going to be this maroon color. Perfect. Now again press the control D to make the exact copy. Shift it here. Now this time we are going to change the R to capital A, and this color to maybe the dark green color, this color, or maybe this color. All right, again we will select Ctrl D and let's bring it over here and change A to capital D, and instead of green color we'll select some other shade like this. Alright, perfect. Now we will give some animations. So first of all, we are going to bring this G over here. Okay, and now in the animations tab, I'm going to select the drop down menu and we'll select the lines. And in the lines, in the effect options, I'm going to select the left. Alright, so now we'll click on this and let's bring it till here. Similarly, same kind of animation we'll give to the R as well. So we'll bring it here, same lines, in the effect options, left, and let's change the endpoint and let's bring it till here. Okay, now same way for A. Okay, we'll go to the drop down menu, click on lines, in the effect options, left, and here let's select here, and now it's turn of D, so let's take it out again, and here we'll go to the lines option, in the effect options, left. Okay, and let's adjust the end point like this. All right, now we'll go on the animation pane. Okay, so now I am going to select these alls and bring them upwards. All right, and for the first one I'm going to select start with previous, and for the next I am going to select start after previous like this. Okay, next step I just have to add the graduation hat. So for this graduation hat we will go to the insert option, and in the insert option similarly I'm going to add the lines. So here I am going to add a line like this. Okay, and its color is going to be this one, and its weight is going to be around 4.5 points. Now by pressing the Ctrl D, let's make the exact copy. And here, bring it over here. Okay, now let's make the exact copy here. Okay, now again press the Ctrl D. Now this time perfect, press the Ctrl D again, and this time here like this. One more time, and all right, let's adjust its size a little bit. All right, so I just need to adjust the points. Okay, if you want you can zoom in a little bit like this, and let's see these points. Okay, now we just need to give some animations. So first of all, let's select all these points together and let's bring them downwards like this. Okay, fine. So first of all, let's select this line. We'll go to the animation, and in the animation I'm going to select the wipe option. Okay, but wipe option right now it is from bottom, so instead of bottom I'm going to select from top. Okay, and this is going to start over here. Okay, and it is going to start after previous. Now next step, similarly wipe, perfect, and here let's bring it over here and start after previous. Similarly to this line, wipe, perfect, start after previous, over here. Now let's give animation to this point, wipe, perfect, start after previous, and let's bring it to this portion, and then this one, wipe, okay, and let's take it upwards and start after previous. Now these two are left, so again wipe, but now this time let's change from top, okay, similarly, and start with previous. Similarly we'll give wipe but from top and bring it upwards like this and start after previous. All right, so let's zoom out a little bit and let's add a scroll. All right, perfect. Now let's have a final preview for the same slide. All right,